Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can export a CSV file in Woocommerce. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Products and then All Products. At the top of the page, you'll see an Export button. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll see the Product Export page. Here, Woocommerce gives you options to choose what data you want to export. You can export all products or only specific categories, product types, or products with certain statuses. Next, you'll see a section called Which columns should be exported. If you want everything, just leave it as it is. But if you only want certain details like product name, SKU, price, or stock, simply check or uncheck the columns you need. Once everything looks good, click on the Generate CSV button at the bottom. Woocommerce will now create a CSV file for you and automatically download it to your computer. You can open this file in Excel or Google Sheets to view or edit your product details. It's perfect if you want to back up your product data or update stock in bulk later. And that's it now. You know how to export a CSV file in Woocommerce quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.